Ngesikhathi kwethula umfanekiso kaMbhishobhi uDesmond Tutu, inkosi uMandla Mandela iqinisekise ukuthi yonke imifanekiso kaDesmond Tutu kanye nowayengumengameli uNelson Mandela bazoyifaka isikhafu sezwe lasePalestine. Ukuzwelana nalo Empini elibhekene nayo nezwe lakwa-Israel.
The kufia of the Palestinians, which you know is always been white and black, but Palestinians in Gaza in particularly did this in honor of Africa, hence you see the African colors, but this one is particularly called the Mandela kufia.
When things go bad, we wheel out the ancestors, we call them to be part of us. Today we are calling the Archbishop to be here and for us to remind the world symbolically of his values, of his commitments, and he was particularly partial to the people of Palestine.
iNingizimu Afrika ithulelwe isigqoko ngokumangalela iIsrael enkantolo yezobulungiswa yomhlaba eNetherlands.
We have come a long history of 350 years of colonialism coupled with 60 years of a brutal apartheid regime. And we know what it is to live under occupation, and this is why we can relate to what the Palestinians are facing.
Kusenjalo, namuhla ehholo laseKapa bekunombhikisho okhombisa ukuzwelana nezwe lasePalestine. Izakhamuzi nazo zinxuse iqembu leDA ukuthi leseke izwe lasePalestine.
We think it is unconscionable that we have a government, a local government that supports a Zionist state. So we are here to demand and to say that not in our name.
iNingizimu Afrika ifuna ukuba iIsrael ihoxisa amasosha ayo eGaza.